We're going to show you how to copy a two-sided document for your HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2602 STW printer. We will use the document feeder, which only scans one-sided. So let's load our document into the document feeder. Remember to use the paper guides. Next, let's wake the printer up if it is in sleep mode by pressing on the cancel button. Then press on the copy document button. Page 1 and page 3 is copied. It is in this orientation. We need to rotate it and reload this back into the input tray. Next, similarly for the documents in the ADF, we need to rotate it and put it back into the document feeder. Then we press on the copy document button. So this is page 1, this is page 2, page 3 and page 4. So this is how you copy a two-sided document on your HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2602 STW printer.